Strategies for Financial Success in 2024. Smart Financial Strategies Introduction. Welcome to Finance Mastery, a one-step destination for all financial masters. The financial landscape of 2024 demands dynamic strategic approaches for success. Financial success is something not related to your earnings, but directly related to your mindset and approaches. Smart financial planning isn't a luxury, but a key to turning aspirations into reality. Join us as we explore why 2024 is pivotal and how implementing smart strategies can help you navigate and thrive. Stick around for insights to embark on your journey to financial success. Importance of smart investing. There's a disconnect between the financial goals we are setting and the steps we are taking to realize them. Many of us believe that saving is the key building wealth and attaining financial freedom, as 59% of Americans considered themselves being savers than investors. While saving can buy you a liability, making smart investments can build you a fortune. We all know that saving money leads to devaluation of our wealth. However, making smart decisions and investing in the right places can reduce the risk factor while increasing the reward factor. Current economic climate. According to the OECD report, the global GDP is expected to slow down to 2.7% in 2024. The GDP growth of the USA is expected to drop from 2.9% in 2023 to 1.4% in 2024, predicting that things are going to be a little tough. Asia is expected to continue to account for the bulk of global growth in the 2024 as well as 2025 as it has been in 2023. Highlighting the situation of the global economy, OECD chief economist Claire Lombardelli said, "Governments really need to start confronting the mounting challenges that public finances face. They need to spend smarter, and policymakers need to contain current and future fiscal pressures while preserving investment and rebuilding buffers to respond to future shocks." Specific investment strategies. Let's explore some strategies especially tailored for the highly evolving technological era of 2024. In this digitalized world, success lies in embracing opportunities that are in line with the technological advancements. First and foremost, diversification remains a cornerstone strategy. Spread your investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk and capitalize on varying market trends. In the era of innovation, allocating funds to disruptive technologies such as artificial intelligence, renewable energy, Amplified by Lending Club? Connect investors with borrowers for fixed income opportunities. Retirement account platforms, including Vanguard and Fidelity, offer IRAs and employer-sponsored accounts. ETF platforms such as Vanguard and iShares facilitate diversified portfolio investments. Commodities and forex trading platforms like Interactive Brokers and Owanda cater to those interested in these markets. Let us have a closer look on the pros and cons of each platform. However, each platform has its pros and cons. Stock trading platforms provide market access but may have fees. Robo-advisors offer automated solutions but may lack personalized strategies. Cryptocurrency exchanges provide access to a growing market but can be volatile. Real estate crowdfunding offers diversification but involves illiquid assets. Peer-to-peer lending platforms offer fixed income opportunities but pose default risks. Retirement account platforms provide tax advantages but may have restrictions. ETF platforms offer diverse portfolios but may have associated fees. Commodities and forex trading platforms provide market access but involve high risk. It's crucial for investors to carefully assess their goals, risk tolerance, and preferences to choose the platform that aligns best with their financial objectives. Conclusion. As we wrap up our journey into the financial strategies of 2024, remember that the choices you make today shape the prosperity of your future. Armed with insights, you now have the tools to navigate and thrive in this dynamic landscape. Here's to your financial success in 2024 and beyond. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay financially empowered.